Oh my god! What, you got 390 as well? I've got a 390! Oh, what? Right. Sorry, we're really excited. Oh, excited. Oh, wow! Oh my god, what a find. Is this a replica? Oh my god, sorry, that's stunning.
No two things.
Thank you so much.
We won't get too
Sorry,
sorry.
did you not win?
Oh, I didn't. I'm going to get caught for myself now. Okay. I don't want to play yours. No, Josie would love that for a trinket. Do you not think those are so... It is. Right, okay. I won't let this one see on the side one.
This sort of camera here would be ideal for. This is called a bridge camera. Sorry, you're videoing. Sorry, mate.
Oh, you're right, man.
Should I have a look? Oh my god, it's a lovely...
Oh my god! You guys got a L'Oreal men's expert? Wow.
It has its limitations.
Hey?
It has its limitations.
Well, she wants to get into photography, and
I'd recommend this camera.
it's like, you know, the thing is that they think it's going to automatically improve the photos no end.
What I do recommend is getting filters for it.
Yeah. You use the density filters.
Yeah.
Right, so you stop it now.